Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. All right, now in today's video, I was supposed to show you how I was gonna harvest a honeydew melon. I have several, they are almost ready. I'm gonna have to wait a little while longer. And I was not going to go ahead and show you another watermelon harvest, but I'm going to do that because this one is very, very special. I didn't even know this watermelon was here. So that means I didn't water this plant after I put it down, because I didn't see that there were any fruit coming from it. But let's go check it out. I mean, it is insane. It's like when you are doing your washing your clothes and you find a $5 bill or $20 bill, and this watermelon is massive due to the fact that I didn't even know it was here. All right, so let's look at it if we can find it. All right, now this is my raspberry location. It looks like a jungle, and I just happened to come over here and notice that this big monster was right here, and I did not water this melon. I didn't even know it was here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this joker, and we're gonna see what it looks like inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it. All right, so this is why I like the food forest idea, having the wood chips down. That's why I wanted to show you this video, because I did say that I was going to have a video with me talking about all the benefits of a wood chip garden. It kept the area moist, so that watermelon was able to get everything that it needed. All right, so let me go ahead and get it, and so we can go inside because it's hot in here. All right, here comes the giant. Ooh, if I can lift it. All right, look at that. A surprise watermelon. Knock this dirt off. All right, we're gonna go inside, weigh it, cut it, and see what it tastes like. Let's go. All right, got it inside. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the scale and see what it looks like. So let's go. I had a spider. All right, it says 25 pounds. Let me try it again. Hold it off. All right, I gotta wait till it resets. All right, 25 pounds is what this big juicy watermelon weighs. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so once again, this is why I like to have my wood chips down. And let me know in the comments if you ever thought about having a wood chip garden. And I'm still going to do the video on that as well a little later. But here's another question. Let me know in the comments if, I can't believe I'm saying this because I was thinking about it a long time ago. Let me know if you want me to do a live and to talk about the wood chip garden or any other methods that I have used. But I really can't do the live outside right now when it's so hot. So it'll have to be something inside, because my camera will eventually shut off. I don't know why it does that, but when it overheats, it goes ahead and shuts off. But let me know. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and see what this looks like and tastes like. Like I said, this was my surprise watermelon. All right, so I knew it was a yellow watermelon. All right, smells good. Let me see if it tastes good. Can't believe I found one that I didn't even know it was out there. Ooh, let me see what it tastes like. Oh, it tastes real good. Oh, it's gonna taste even better when I put it inside the refrigerator. I hope I got space. That's good. I'm gonna save some of these seeds as well. All right, so once again, I didn't know that was out there. I probably watered the plant time I planted it, but I didn't see any melons over there, so I didn't go back over there and water the plant. But once again, that's why I do the wood chip gardening, because it's going to keep the plant moist, holds in all that moisture, and the weeds were cut down a lot, so I didn't have that much weeds over there, so it didn't take away from this watermelon. All right, so that's gonna let me see. Oh, one other thing, I know one of the gardeners on YouTube, Clausen World, she said she would be nervous to go in my my patch over there because she think they may have snakes over there. But I got another big melon, so I'm gonna have to go see if I can find any more melons. And also, she does container gardening, so if you're into that and want to learn more about container gardening, you can go and check her videos out. And I'll talk to you next time. I'm just lost for words because I can't believe I have a watermelon, another one that I didn't even know about. All right, this is Bear Brown. I'll see you next time. All right, bye.